Best mechanical keyboards. Using a good quality mechanical keyboard can make coding and programming fun, easy, and swift. Here are the best mechanical keyboards for programming. Number 1. Most popular. CORSAIR K70 RGB MK.2 Mechanical Keyboard for Programming. The CORSAIR K70 is another mechanical keyboard that would end your search for a high-end programming or coding keyboard. Its typing quality and convenience from the wrist rest are evidence of its overall quality. CORSAIR's superiority is evident in the K70 RGB MK.2 mechanical keyboard. The K70's versatility is noteworthy, and it delivers excellent performance when used for gaming, programming, and coding. This mechanical keyboard boasts diverse switches, so you can choose the one you prefer the most. The switch options include the Cherry MX Brown, Blue, Red, Speed, and Silent Red. This K70 RGB MK.2 features the Cherry MX Speed switches, which are reliable, accurate, and blazingly fast. The switches boast 1.2mm actuation, making it a wise choice for programming, coding, and gaming. Number 2. Razer Black Widow Elite Mechanical Keyboard for Programming. Razer is a leader in gaming equipment, but they initially built their keyboards for typing before entering the gaming market. To this day, their mechanical keyboards are robust and a pleasure to use, even for everyday use. There are several quality of life features that make the Razer Black Widow great. At the bottom is a padded wrist rest for ergonomic comfort, and it's even magnetized for easy removal and cleaning. Every key is programmable, and the whole keyboard has extra layers that can be remapped. You also have a USB port and a 3.5mm audio jack on the mechanical keyboard side, and the media control buttons, including a volume knob. Number 3. DOS Keyboard 4 Mechanical Keyboard for Programming. Sleek, clean, efficient. That's what this mechanical keyboard from DOS Keyboard offers. Typing on this keyboard is elegantly quiet, but the tactile experience is still impactful. This mechanical keyboard is built from high-quality components, down to the tiniest detail. The casting is anodized aluminum, and the key switches are Cherry MX, guaranteed to last 50 million key presses each. Even the lettering on the key is long-lasting, using laser etching to prevent fading over time. The DOS Keyboard 4 also includes extra buttons for media control, plus an extra-large volume knob. So whether you're playing music in your background as you work, or your work itself is musical, you have immediate, precise control at your fingertips. Number 4. Logitech G915 TKL Mechanical Keyboard for Programming. The first thing that brings the G915 TKL into the list of best mechanical keyboards for programming is light speed functionality. It's super flexible and fast. Your typing speed will automatically increase by touching G915 TKL. It can last for 40 hours without recharging the battery. By using Logitech G-Hub software, you can customize RGB lighting to 16.8 million colors and try different RGB light patterns. The most important feature of G915 TKL for programming is low-profile switches that offer high durability with a fast and smooth experience. And G915 TKL has 3 switch options: GL Linear, GL Tactile, or GL Clicky.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.